Many first-time buyers face unexpected challenges that can derail their home buying journey. These mistakes often lead to delays and extra costs, turning a dream into a financial nightmare. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Let's dive right into it. Understanding these common pitfalls can save you both time and money. By learning from others' experiences, you can navigate the process more smoothly and avoid costly errors. Start the mortgage approval process early to know your budget. Pre-approval not only sets realistic expectations, but also positions you as a serious buyer in the eyes of sellers. Avoid setting your sights too high by knowing your financial limits. Pre-approval helps you stay within a comfortable price range, preventing future financial strain. Don't settle for the first mortgage quote you receive. Comparing rates from multiple lenders can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Research and consult with various lenders to find the best deal. A little extra effort up front can lead to significant savings in the long run. Real estate agents provide invaluable expertise and guidance throughout the buying process. They help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. Their fees are often worth the peace of mind they provide. A good agent can save you time, money, and stress, making the home buying journey smoother. Consider all expenses, not just the mortgage payment, when determining your budget. Factor in utilities, groceries, and other living costs to avoid financial strain. Avoid buying more home than you can afford. A realistic budget ensures you can comfortably manage your finances without sacrificing your lifestyle. Home inspections reveal potential issues that could lead to costly repairs. Skipping an inspection might save time initially, but can result in significant expenses later. Use inspection results to negotiate with sellers. This step can provide leverage to address issues before finalizing the purchase, ensuring a sound investment. Don't deplete your savings on the down payment alone. Keep a financial cushion for emergencies to avoid future financial stress. Consider less expensive homes if necessary. Maintaining a financial buffer ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses and can enjoy your new home worry-free. Look into government-backed loans like FHA, Virginia, and USDA. These options can offer more favorable terms for first-time buyers, making homeownership more accessible. Consult with your loan officer to explore all possibilities. Understanding your options ensures you choose the best loan for your financial situation. Recap: we've covered costly mistakes, the importance of pre-approval, and the value of shopping around. Remember, a real estate agent can guide you, and understanding your budget is crucial. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll save time and money, ensuring a smoother home buying experience. Knowledge is your best tool in making informed decisions. Are you ready to start your home buying journey? Begin by getting pre-approved and consulting with a knowledgeable real estate agent. Take the first step towards your dream home today. Remember, informed decisions lead to successful home ownership. Let's make your dream home a reality together. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this content, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.